I think a lot of us have gotten back into reading. At least for me, I'm really surprised that I have been reading so much lately. So today I'm going to show you a few layouts for your reading journal in case you'd like to use it. I'm putting it at the back of my Hobonichi Weeks journal, which has just my back planning and journaling notes. So I'm going to make it look like a bullet journal, which is why I'm making this index page that you're looking at now. So it's very simple, just page and description, so we can go ahead and get started with the layout. I'm going to show you a few layouts today. I have 5 layouts for you. The first one has information such as title, author, genre, series, and type, and these will be repeating throughout all of the pages, but I'm going to show you how to make it different for each of your entries if you would like that. You can also just stick to one per month or stick to one per week if you are an avid reader. But here I'm just writing it in script and I'm just scribbling a little bit of corners on there so that it looks a little bit more interesting. And then I'm dividing the page for the more essay type of entries, which I'll be writing down in different ways as well. So down at the bottom I have favorite characters, the summary of what I've read, and of course the most important part is the impressions that the book has given me. And at the very bottom of the page I will have my rating, and it depends on you how you would rate your books that you have read. And here I have a second layout, and this is so much fancier than the first one because it involves a different kind of pen, calligraphy, and a little bit of art, just a little scribble. So here I also decided to change the titles of the entries, but it's the same thing. We have the blurb, and I kind of messed up the lettering on this one, but it says best in character, so my favorite character. And then I'm drawing a box around it and giving it a little bit of interest, as you can see here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and write down my insights for this book. I tend to read a lot of young adult because I'm only reading for fun, and those are the kinds of books that I really enjoy reading in my downtime. And this is what it looks like. So again, at the very bottom I'm going to put down ratings, and I'm going to write it similar to how I've written the other 3 points. And these are layout 1 and 2. And then I'm going to do another page, and I'm going to write down the exact same information as I did the last time, but I'm going to be using fountain pen this time in case you would like to do that. Fountain pens work so well with the Hobonichi paper, so if you're putting your reading journal at the back or the notes section of your Hobonichi Weeks or Weeks Mega, then this might be something that you're interested in. So here I'm just writing it down in bold form, and on the other side I'm writing it in script. So this is the kind of script that I like to do. It's very simple, very quick to do. Now mind that it can be difficult to read if you're writing sentences using this type of script. That's why I only stick to titles if I'm going to do that type of script / calligraphy / scribble. So I've divided a page as well, similar to layout 1 and 2, and then I'm going to write down the exact same information as I did in layout 1 and 2 as well. So I'm going to start with favorite character, and then a short summary, and then my impressions at the bottom. Then I'll be writing down in bold under those once I fill it out. So here's a little different, and I do plan to write in script this time, and I have the same information, favorite character, summary, and impression. And they are the exact same information as I keep mentioning, but they look quite different since I've designed the page very different from each other. And those are the 2 individual book entries, and for layout number 5 I have the monthly review, and I think it's very important to go through your individual book entries just to see how you are progressing in your reading interests. Maybe you have a goal and this is something that you can help you keep track of that. So I have number of books read, and then the insights for that month if I've been enjoying a lot of series lately, etc. your favorite book of the month, and then series that you have decided to continue, so how many of those maybe, and then your plans for the next month. This is very good if you do have reading goals for the year. For example, I used to have a reading goal of 24 books, so 2 books a month per year, but I couldn't realistically accomplish that now since I have school. So these are the pages that we have created for today. This is a very short video. I just wanted to show you how you can make a reading journal. And that's it for us today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.